G'day Australia. Randbuild have a new product range, Backyard Shacks.
Backyard Shacks are the affordable and innovative product range from Randbuild. Before we start the roof construction video, let's look at the whole process in time-lapse so you can get the complete picture. From 1-bedroom studio shacks up to 4-bedroom open-plan houses, the Backyard Shacks range is available in both cyclonic and non-cyclonic versions. Available Australia-wide through our dealer network, Backyard Shacks are affordable, practical and a great value solution to your living space requirements. The kits arrive pre-packed with all parts marked and clear, easy to follow construction diagrams. Pre-punched holes and assembly instructions make it easy for do-it-yourselfers and experienced builders alike. The structures are supplied ready to finish to lock up with just the following trades and interior fit out to complete the job. This video offers general assembly and installation advice. Refer to the Backyard Shacks installation manual and job-specific plans for full details. Our first consideration is worker safety. The HIA recommends a safe work method statement be written and that the worksite conforms to the safe work practices in the Building Code of Australia. Check the delivery docket and ensure all parts have been delivered. You'll see that each part is marked with the job name, frame or truss number, part number and part usage, making it simple for you to work out which part goes where. All you need to do is match the parts provided with the drawing, align the pre-punched holes and screw it together. It's that easy. And make sure you read our construction manuals before you start work. Here's a quick look at the tools you'll need to do the job. A drill and fasteners, step ladder, spirit or laser level, hacksaw, rivet gun, silicon gun and clear silicon, adjustable spanner, tape measure, a post hole digger or shovel, string line and stakes, concrete, pliers and tin snips, ratchet wrench, drill and adapters, angle grinder, electrical leads, safety equipment, sawhorses and planks. Now let's look at the truss assembly. The trusses in the Backyard Shack structures uses a system of matching punched holes for assembly. Again, components are branded with the job number, truss and part number. Webs are numbered from left to right and cords counterclockwise around the truss from the bottom cord. The assembly of each truss is simple. Referring to the assembly drawing and the detailed connection drawings supplied, lay the cords in their approximate location, toes down. Engage the top cord into the bottom cord notch and align the appropriate holes. Insert a truss framing screw into the aligned holes. Align the holes with those punched on the cords and fix with truss framing screws. To fix each cord, start each truss in the centre and work outwards to each heel. Note, the web should force the cords into the correct geometry without any jigging. The truss will only go together one way. Check that the overall height and span is correct. The overall height and span should now match the quality check dimensions on the assembly drawing. First, using the components supplied, box any webs or cords as shown on the assembly drawings. Boxed truss stiffeners, which are 200mm long, are installed at the ends of the truss bottom cord and are fastened top and bottom with M6 GX Tech screws. Place the reinforcing screws for the web to cord connections as shown in the connection drawings. Refer to the web plan drawing and check the correct number of screws are fixed at the end of each web. Stack the trusses in the order they will be required for installation. Now we're ready to install the trusses. The Backyard Shack drawings help us install the roof frame. Using the truss layout drawing, mark the top of the wall to indicate the truss locations. Install the truss hold down bracket to the top plate of the wall at each truss location using the connection system specified in the installation manual. Stand the first truss and screw through the face of the connection bracket into the bottom cord of the truss. Some of the heel screws may have to be removed to have the truss fit flush against the clip. The screws used to attach the clip to the truss replace the screws that you've just removed. Make sure the truss is centered properly on the building to see that they are in accordance with the drawings and standing vertical. Install the next two trusses and screw a piece of top span batten into the top cords of the trusses to temporarily brace them. Extend the top span batten out to catch and brace the next trusses. Install the appropriate 40mm top span battens on the trusses in accordance with the cladding requirements. Once the trusses and rafters are erected, install roof bracing in accordance with your installation manual. Bracing is generally placed as close to 45 degrees to the sidewall as possible, but not below 30 degrees. Install bracing over the top chord of the trusses and the battens. Refer to the installation guide for the connection drawings and screw specifications. One end of the bracing is fixed to the wall top plate adjacent to the truss position, and the other end to the high point of the truss. The ceiling battens must be fitted to the underside of the trusses immediately after the roof trusses have been installed. By fixing the ceiling battens at this stage, the roof trusses will be laterally restrained without the need of bottom chord ties. And that's it. Let's have another look at the whole process in time lapse again.